Let's talk about the recently launched Huawei smartphone Nova 12i. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels, approximately 89.1% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 391 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel 26mm wide angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on EMUI 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex-A73 plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.3 by 74.7 by 8.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options black, green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 40-watt super fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova 12i has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at $272, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 949 UAE dirhams. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 12i smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.